In this video, I'm going to show you how to create charts on Excel. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. And for more Excel tutorials, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and select your data. Let's go into the insert section on your ribbon and click on recommended charts. You can see that there are a lot of different recommended charts that Excel has provided for you for this kind of data. If you want more options, you can click on the All Charts tab and you can click on column for columnar charts. You can go click on line for line graphs. You can click on pie for pie charts. You can click on bar. You can click on area and any different format that you want to create your chart based on. Let's go ahead and cancel this for a quick second. And let me show you that right next to recommended charts, you can also go into the direct shortcut for each different chart. So if you want to go for a column or bar chart, you can come here and click on that for direct access. If you want a pie chart, you can click here for direct access and so on. So let's say in this case, I'm going to go for a column chart. Let's go for a 3D chart. Click on that. And right here, you can go ahead and add chart elements based on your requirements. And you can go ahead and customize the style of your chart, the color of your chart, and so on. You can also go ahead and filter based on different requirements that you might have. Once you're happy with the appearance and the data on your chart, you can just click on the chart again, move it around, resize it. You can even copy it and paste it in a new tab if that's what you're required to do. And you can do pretty much as you like. But now here's the thing. This is basic customization, right? What if you need to take your customization to the next level? All you have to do is go into the chart design section and you have a whole lot of options right here. You can go through it one by one. It's not going to affect your data set in any way. You can go ahead and do exactly what you need to do. You can change the template. You can change the colors. You can change the depth of it, the 3D effects, the shadows, change the way your font looks with shadows on your fonts. You can have different fill colors on your chart. You can have different kinds of backgrounds on your charts and so on. If you have any specific requirements to create a chart for yourself, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try to answer you in the comment section or by making a shorts video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Excel tutorials. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.